What's going on, Holler Gang? Holler Gang, what's going on with ya? Hey, what? Empty parking lot, but did you say holler with me? Did you say holler with Ace? If not, here's your chance. Here's your chance. Holler! Yes, I'm here in an empty parking lot. Sort of. But it's trying to rain here, so I picked the awning. But you know, remember I told y'all it's about to be winter time and we switching over to the what 3 things. So hey, we got this video. I got a treat for y'all. So let's get into it. Alright, Holler Gang. Here we go. Y'all ready? You ready? Here, boom! Y'all see it. You see it. Alright. We got my guy. What's
going on? My name is Smurfy530.
There you go. Hey, let's take a quick walk around. You know how we do. The quick walk around. Y'all see it. So, alright, Smurfy, 2 things. 1, what kind of ride you have?
I have a 2004 Infinity Coupe. It's on air suspension, so you know how it is.
Oh, he riding low, y'all. He riding really low, y'all. Hey, but hey, let's get into it. The main question. What 3 things would you change about your Infinity if Ace gave you the money?
Another one. Yeah, the first one would be 3-piece wheels.
Ooh, hey, we about to switch it up.
Second, motor swap would be an LS.
Ooh. Man, do y'all understand what kind of power that would be bringing on something this light? Woo! Be out of there.
And the third thing is,
third one's always the killer.
Yeah. Y'all see? Full on wide body.
Man, hey, you know what? I have seen one of those, and those are nasty.
Wide body though, it'd be 101.
Oh, custom! Well, we know we love custom. Custom builds are the #1 around town. Y'all already know. But hey, y'all, I'm gonna have to take y'all a good closer look because as I'm standing here, this mug has things that you just can't see, but I'm gonna give it to you. But who's doing it? He done did it. Man, so as he was doing the interview, I was checking out the mirror on the door, the mirror on the door. Do y'all see it? But you ain't ready. You not ready. Hey, check out my guy's Instagram. But man, hey, there you have it. Meow. But y'all know we got Holler 2 in the building. Hey, don't worry. We ain't doing the walk around on Holler 2 because y'all already seen it. Nothing new. All right, y'all.
Now, one more thing for you.
We gonna. Y'all, I don't think they ready for this, but woo, you not ready. Hey, the funny thing is, man, yeah, hey, he's like me. He done took the whole name to a whole new level. Y'all see it. Hey, y'all get with him. Y'all check out my guy's Instagram page. and follow him, because I know I am. So, well, you better watch out, because it does sound good. Alright, that's gonna be a wrap. What's going on, Holla Gang? Holla Gang, what's going on with ya? Yes, I'm loaded up in HOLLERRRR. Did you say holla with Ace? Did you say holla with Ace? If not, here's your chance. Here's your chance. Holler. Yes, that's right. I'm here back with another video. We going up. I told y'all I'm going up. Well, check this out. Little bit of trick or treating going on here. You know it's the holiday season. Gotta take the kids, get some candy, right? So we doing it a little something in a familiar place, getting some candy. Come on, let's check it out, see what we can see.
Sure you ready? 4, let them know that we run this town. 1 for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3 just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town.
We're swimming the day away, swimming the day away. We're swimming the day away. We're swimming, swimming. It's cool in the pool. You could be the DJ. Smooth groove tempo, let the music wash you away. Float on our backs, wave this wonder. Time to relax, lose the stress you're under. Nothing better than a weekend as we ever flow. We're swimming the day away, swimming the day away. We're swimming the day away. We're swimming, swimming. There's a blue sky filter on the surface of the water. Dial down to 0, there's no better offer. No. Float on our backs, wave this wonder. Time to relax, lose the stress you're under. Nothing better than a weekend as we ever flow. Swimming the day away, swimming the day away. Swimming the day away. We're swimming, swimming.
Relax your mind.
Meet me in the deep end when the sun gets low, when the temperature drops, where the candles glow. Tell me all your secrets, if you know, you know. We can be the bougie, bougie, bougie boy. We're swimming the day away, swimming the day away. We're swimming the day away. We're swimming, swimming.
Relax your mind. show, yeah, we shut it down. 3, just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town. 1 for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3, just to make sure you ready.
Watch out, yeah.
4, let them know that we run this town. Yeah, I can taste it, I can tell that it's one of them days. Sun keep beaming and shining on my face. Surfing the breeze, yeah, riding that wave. Riding that wave, sitting on top, everything's okay. Getting my stride, trying to keep my pace. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. You are now tuned in to the greatest of all time, the greatest of all time.
I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be better.
1 for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3, just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town. 1 for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3, just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town.
color.
I think we're all winners here, I think.
Mommy, look underneath it.
Give me a red, give me a red. Come on.
Another one of these, one of the later ones. Another old egg. Well, actually, portraits, yeah, no, I've got one of every skyline ever made.
Really?
You got 34.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, man. That is awesome.
I was gonna bring my RX-7 actually today, but then Graham texted me, so I just gotta bring the RS because it's already black for Halloween. So
That is sweet, man. Like, that is a lovely collection. That's a nice, like, I love how you have like a little taste of everything, you know?
Yeah.
So it's not just biased over one thing.
yeah.
I love that.
No, that's been fun. Alright, I gotta go get some food and stuff.
I hear you.
Alright, see you guys.